if YouTube is not recommending your videos, here are 2 important settings you need to do on your channel for you to make YouTube start recommending your videos, for you to get the views that you want, right? I actually tried these settings on my channel 2 days ago and I have seen results, guys. Like, it was mind-blowing. Believe me when I say that if you try this on your channel, you're going to see how YouTube will start recommending your videos out there, right? When I implement these settings on my channel 2 days ago, I had to check my YouTube studio for me to see if this setting has actually worked, guys. Like, I just found out that YouTube has started recommending my videos. Like, you can see it. All these while I've been posting, I've been getting views, but YouTube has not started recommending my videos, because if YouTube has started recommending your videos, you're going to see it on your YouTube studio. I was so happy. I was like, okay, let me go and confirm. I went to my other accounts to check it, and guys, I saw my videos were everywhere, and I was like, wow, YouTube has started recommending my video. This is me, that whenever I upload a video and I checked with my other accounts, I don't used to see my videos anywhere. Like, I'll be seeing other creators, but I don't used to see my videos anywhere. But after I do this setting, guys, believe me, 2 days ago, I just found out that YouTube has started recommending my videos. I was so happy. So if you are watching my videos, if you have been watching my videos and you are not doing what I've been teaching in this my video, please start doing it. Start doing it. You're going to see results, especially with small YouTubers. If you know you want to grow your channel, you want to move your channel to the next level, all you need to do is just to do these settings on your phone. Who knows, maybe there are some settings that is supposed to be turned on your YouTube studio and you mistakenly turn it off, and maybe there are some settings that is supposed to be turned off on your YouTube studio dashboard and you mistakenly turn it on. These are the mistakes that a lot of small YouTubers or new YouTubers are doing that they don't know about, and all these things might make YouTube to don't even notice your videos, and they won't even push your videos out there, because they won't even know the right audience to push your videos or to recommend your videos out there for you to get the views that you want. And you know that once YouTube starts recommending your videos, it means that they've noticed your channel, they know your right audience to push that video to, right? So it is very important for us to do this setting so YouTube will start recommending our videos, and for us to get the views that we want, because it's from YouTube recommendation we get the views. It's just for us to go and turn this setting on our YouTube dashboard, because setting is what you will do after every upload for you to get YouTube recommendation. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please like and subscribe and join this wonderful family. Let's dive into our video. Without much being said, I don't want this video to be too long. If you're using your phone for this tutorial, all you need to do is for you to go to your Google and type YouTube dashboard and then click on it. Then you dive into your YouTube dashboard. So guys, this particular setting I want us to do on our YouTube dashboard is very, very important. Believe me when I say that this is what has helped me to get YouTube recommendation, and I want you to be patient with me so you understand everything I'm going to say in this video. Please, I'm taking my time to do this practicals because I want everybody to get it right this time around. And if you don't listen, or maybe you skip any parts, how are you going to get the full information on what to do on your channel? And please, after watching this video, just go straight to your channel and implement these settings on your channel. Believe me when I say that I was once in your shoe 3 months ago when I started my YouTube channel. I used to get 10 views after weeks of posting. At times, I will even send my link to people on WhatsApp, beg my sister to post it on the status before I will be able to get 20 views with manager. But I don't know that there are a lot of settings I need to do on my channel for me to get YouTube recommendation and for me to start making YouTube push my video out there to get the views that I want and to also increase my watch hours. You understand? So all these settings are very, 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 very important. She commented on my video and told me that she has been doing all of these settings, a lot of the settings that she have watched from other creators, and they are not working. And I told the person that maybe you are just doing the wrong way, or you've listened to a lot of videos, but once you follow my videos from step, like whatever I share here with you on YouTube, I make research about the setting and I've tried it on my channel and I've seen results, and I bring it out here to share with you guys. That is what I do here. I don't just bring information that I am not sure of or I've not tried it on my channel, then I'll not bring it here. It's not done like that. You understand? Once you start getting YouTube recommendation, just know that YouTube have noticed your channel and you have started doing things right. You understand? So please be patient with me and let's do this right. If you know you want to get YouTube recommendation and get the views that you want, watch this video to the end and you start getting it right. You understand? So now, after you upload your videos, go to your YouTube dashboard, click on content. It will then click on any video you know you want to do the setting on, and make sure you try to do it on all your videos before uploading, before making it to go public, right? So you come to this place, you click on show more, it will bring you to this place, right? So you see this allowed embedding and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers was actually tick before I uploaded this video, but after uploading this video I'm seeing it that it turns gray, and I went ahead to make my research as of then, and they said that I noticed that it's not just me. They said that it has been on default. And I tried to check if YouTube is notifying my I asked a friend to check if whenever I post, if they get notification, and they said they get notification. So this one that is showing gray is just on default, but it is click on. It was click on before I upload this particular video, right? So this allowed embedding, you want to click on it and it's tick. You are telling YouTube that you have given people that has websites, all those big websites can tag your videos. Yes, imagine somebody that has a large audience and they tag your video and they're allowed to tag your video. Just imagine the kind of views you're going to get on your videos, right? So you are telling YouTube that anybody can tag these your videos or your channel to the website. Yes, can tag it to the website. So now this publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Once you click on it, you are giving YouTube the information that they can notify your subscribers once you upload a new video. You understand? And once they get notification, they will come and watch your videos once they are notified. It is very important for us to click this particular setting on. Make sure we turn it on, because we have to do all of this setting to get YouTube recommendation. If this setting is on off, how will YouTube notify your subscribers that you've published a video for them to come and watch, for you to get the views that you want? You understand? So all these settings are very, very, very important and they are very necessary. So now let me take you to the other top secret setting that you don't know about, or maybe if you know, maybe you didn't do it rightly. So now let me show you. So you click on setting, it will bring you to this place. You click on channel, then you come to these keywords. These keywords are very important. I didn't get to know about these keywords earlier on when I opened my YouTube channel. I just get to know about it weeks back, and it has been helping me, like seriously, it has helped me a lot. So what you need to do is that whatever niche you are into, what you just need to do is to look for the keywords that you know that people can easily go and search for. You understand? And make sure you put YouTube first, then you put all your keywords, and then you put people that you know that they are doing very well in your niche. This keyword is very, very, very important. It makes YouTube to know what your video, what your channel is all about. It feeds the algorithm with what your channel is all about and who they are pushing this video to. Okay, now if you put your keywords and someone goes to search for something related to what you put on your keywords, YouTube is going to recommend your video to them. Yes, it's going to recommend your videos to them. Because why? That keyword, that word is in your keywords. You understand? So you have to put something related to your niche. If you are doing cooking, vlogging, put all the vlogging, cooking, styles of cooking, and so on. And another thing is that make sure you put people that are doing very, very well in your niche, just like how I wrote mine here, because they are very important, because those people that you know that people can easily go and search on You understand? People can easily go and search. So once YouTube, they search for them and YouTube recommend your videos to them, YouTube can also recommend your videos to them too, for them to watch after watching their own videos. You understand? That is just the easy way to trick the algorithm to start recommending your videos. It's just once you do all of these things right, you start getting it right. It's just for you to calm down and do these settings and you start getting it right. If it is very difficult for you to get your keywords, you can go and browse. You understand? You can go and make a research about your keywords to use on your channel. And once you do this, believe me, you start getting YouTube recommendation, you start getting the views that you want. Yes, it works like magic. If I can do it and it works for me, you too can. You can try it on your channel and you will see results on your channel. Yes. So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so it will get to a whole lot of people that don't get to know about these settings. A lot of people are struggling out there of low views. They don't get YouTube recommendation. They need to watch this video so that they will implement these settings on the channel too, for them to get good results. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. I don't take it for granted. One love. Bye. See you on our next video.